Part 4, working on the YZ250. We just got water pump cover instead of painting it, because this was like $4. We got the rest of the plastics in. So we got to rebuild the calipers, get those on, put all the new brake stuff on, put the grips on, put the levers on, pretty much get this thing ready for graphics. Yeah, the first start. Still waiting on handguards, graphics. I got a new pipe coming. We're getting this suspension rebuilt, and then it should be good to go. Just got the front plate and the front fender on. We're running a 2025 250F stadium plate, and then my stock fender off my 25 250F. It was kind of a pain to get on. I still have to mess around with the holes in the back because yeah, we kind of had to Swiss cheese the fender a little bit. New reservoir for the rear brake, so we got to throw that on. But I just had some more parts show up. We got the seat cover, the blue handguards, but I'm gonna swap my bars off my 250F and then put those on. finally got the bolt kit for a 23, so we're gonna put all the new bolts in. Oil fill cap, rear brake clevis, and then we got the new Work Series pipe. So we're gonna get this stuff thrown on, and then we're gonna work on the brake stuff, throw the shifter on, do the bolt kit. New handguards on. I decided I'm just gonna keep the bars on for now because I don't want to take them off my 250F and then have to order those for that bike. Yeah, fit pretty well. I still gotta tighten down the nuts. That's it for this episode. Next episode, hopefully, we'll get the seat cover on, all the graphics, brake lever. I'll have the stuff for the front brake, get that on, put the new rotor on, new tire on the front, decals for the forks, top and bottom, and then full decals all the way around. It should be done. Besides, I also need a chain, but my buddy bought a brand new bike, and he's gonna give me the stock chain off of that because he upgraded to a new one, so